Good evening, students. Hello, students. Today we'll do a topic of electronic configuration from the chapter of atomic structure. Now, in the previous video, we have already seen how electrons revolve around in shell so that it will not emit any energy so that the radiation comes out. Today we'll find out how electrons will be present in various shells. Like if you take up any element, the lower part is called atomic number, the upper part is the mass number, and the element symbol is written in the middle part. So if you write like this, hydrogen H11, atomic number is 1, that's why electron number is also 1, mass number is 1, that's why neutron number is 1 minus 1 0, and proton is also 1. Like that we can calculate for helium, atomic number is 2, mass number is 4, so electron is 2, proton is also 2, neutron will become 4 minus 2, like this 2. How can we calculate the electrons in the shell? First shell contains 2n square, 2 1 square 2, second shell contains 2 into 2 square 8, third shell contains 2 into 3 square 18 electrons. That's why the first shell only contains 1 electron for hydrogen, for helium it contains 2 electrons, but if it is lithium, then atomic number is 3, proton is 3, neutron is 4, 7 minus 3, 4. How will I arrange these 3 electrons? I'll put 2 electrons in first shell, 1 electron in the second shell. Now, like that we can find out the beryllium, atomic number is 4, electron is 4, proton is 4, neutron becomes 9 minus 4, 5. These 4 electrons will be arranged in 2 in the first shell, 2 in the second shell. Now, how do we judge the valency? If the valence number of electrons, that is the last shell electron, is less than equal to 4, then that is the valency. Like this, if I find out hydrogen, the hydrogen's electron number is 1, that's why its valency will be 1. For helium, it contains 2 electrons, so it will neither lose nor gain electron, its valency will be 2. Lithium has 1 electron, that's why its valency is 1. If I pick up boron, it had 2 electrons, that's why its valency became 2. Similarly, if I take up nitrogen, atomic number is 7, electron is 7, proton is 7, nitrogen's neutron will be 14 minus 7, 7. How do I keep 7 electrons? 2 in the first shell, 5 in the second shell. See students, if I keep 5 electrons in the second shell, the number of valence electrons is 5. The valency will be 8 minus number of electrons if the electron number is greater than 4. If it is less than or equal to 4, then it is the valency. Like this one and this one have number of electrons less than 4. That's why these are the valencies. But for carbon, nitrogen, the number of electrons is 4 or 5. As soon as it turns out 5, 8 minus 5 becomes 3. In this logic, if I take out neon, atomic number 10 and mass number 20, electron 10, proton 10, neutron is 10, I can fix up 2, 8 like this. The number of electrons being 8, it has completed the octet. Since it has completed the octet, the valency will become 0. Finally, I can move on to some third shell electrons like magnesium. 12 atomic number, mass number 12, atomic number 12, mass number 24. So 12 electrons, 12 protons and neutrons 12. 12 electrons can be replaced like this way, 2, 8, 2. Since it contains 2 electrons in last shell, that's why valency will become plus 2. Similarly, phosphorus has 15 electrons in the last shell. So proton 15 and electron 15. Number of neutrons will become 31 minus 15, that comes out 16. Finally, if we keep this 15 electrons, 2, 8, 5, in the same logic like this one, since the number of electrons is more than 4, that's why the valency will be minus 3. Going finally to the fourth shell electron like element like potassium, having 19 electrons, 19 protons, 20 neutrons, these 19 electrons will be present like this, 2, 8, 8, 1. Because 19 cannot be placed together, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 8 18, and last one 19 takes the place in the n shell. Calcium having 20 electrons can be written as 2, 8, 8, 2. Since it has got only 2 electrons, just like this, valency will be plus 2. So in a very short way, I have told you how can you write down the electronic configuration, how can you find out the valency, and especially if the elements having valency plus 1s are called metals. The one having valency minus is called non-metal. The one having valency 0 is called inert gas. So that completes the most important part of atomic structure. See you very soon, students, in the next video. Thank you, everyone.